What's up, everyone? Imagine loading up your Steam wallet with $100 for free. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can grab a $100 Steam gift card for free. No tricks, no catches. Alright, before anything else, let me show you that this actually works. Here's my Steam account. You can see my current wallet balance. Watch what happens when I redeem a code I got from funzap.com. Boom! Look at that. A crisp $100 added to my wallet. And guess what? It took me just a few minutes to get it. Here's how you can do the same. The magic happens on funzap.com. This is a legit platform where you can find exclusive gift card offers, including the $100 Steam gift card. Here's how to navigate the process. Open your browser and type in funzap.com. On the homepage, either scroll down or use the search bar to look for Steam gift card. You'll see the $100 Steam gift card option right there. Click on it to get started. When you click, you'll notice the code is partially hidden. No worries, it's super simple to unlock. Here's how. Complete 2 quick offers. One might ask you to download an app and play it for a couple of minutes. Another could be something as easy as signing up for a newsletter. Don't stress, the tasks are quick, free, and beginner-friendly. Once you finish the offers, the full code will be revealed instantly. Now that you have your code, it's time to cash it in. Go to your Steam account and click on Add Funds. Select Redeem a Gift Card. Enter the code you just unlocked and click Confirm. Just like that, $100 will be added to your Steam wallet, ready for you to spend on games, DLCs, or anything else. Before you dive in, here are a few tips to make the process smooth. Be patient and follow the instructions for each offer carefully. Use a trusted device for the process. Act fast. Gift card availability is limited, and they can run out quickly. And there you have it, folks. A real way to get a $100 Steam gift card for free using funzap.com? I've done it, and now you can too. If this helped you out, smash that like button, share this video with your gaming squad, and subscribe for more epic tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.